And what have we got here? A big parcel, and let's quickly open it up and see what's inside. So what do we have here? We've got here some wood. 2 pieces of wood. And some more wood with material stuck to it. And here's some, I don't know what this is. And a piece of brick wall. Some bits and pieces of trees. This is good. It says it's a tree. This is from the time when plastic pieces were made. Okay. Here we've got it's like a Jouef. It is a Jouef coach. Flat wagon. Then this looks like a little Jouef engine. No reason to believe it's not working, but we'll test it in a minute. And here we've got it's also by Jouef and Playcraft. Oops, what is this? That's a flat wagon, also Jouef or Playcraft. And some more branches of my tree. This looks like another Jouef coach with functioning doors. Buffers are all present. Oh, we've got 2 coaches. That's good. Brilliant. So, first class, probably second class, post class. Yep. And the last one, this looks very different. That's a Trang Railways one. It's an early one. It's a nice piece. I don't know what's missing here. Could imagine something is missing, but otherwise, apart from being a bit dirty, oops, this is quite a nice Trang Railways post wagon. Evidently, these can't be coupled together, so the truth, let's see. Yeah, doesn't budge at all. That's a bit frustrating, but let's see what happens when I apply electricity directly to the pickups. Yeah, now the little click. There is definitely some life in this machine. Maybe I can put one of the brushes here. And the other one here. Doesn't like to be upright. This loco needs a good cleaning, and otherwise it's working. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this. I certainly did. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.